Welcome back to another episode of the Crypto Serpent, and if you do like this videos, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you all so much for all the support and help that you guys have given me on this channel for the last 3 weeks since we've been alive. So starting off today with some pretty controversial XRP news in regards to SEC and China connection and what's going on over there, and some of the reasons behind perhaps why there's been, the lawsuit against XRP and such a delay in the XRP bull run beginning and the timing of everything. So very interesting to see that the XRP versus SEC China connection. Jay Clayton, SEC chairman, and William H. Hinnemans, SEC's director of corporate finance, both conducted the Alibaba IPOs for their respective law firms in 2014. And both law firms have offices in China. So what's happening here? What more do we need to research about this? Is there any truth to this? Not sure yet, but the purpose of the channel is to give you a taste and for you to go away and do your own research and then make up your own mind. This isn't financial advice, definitely not a financial planner, and only trade where you can afford to risk. So moving on from that. Now, this is very concerning on so many levels. The Federal Reserve has stopped publishing the M1 and M2 money supply. For the first time in over 40 years, they've decided to not tell people how much they're printing. Now, that is extremely terrifying. I mean, these machines are just literally printing money non-stop to keep up with essentially the collapse of the fiat currency. So, very concerning. Great news, obviously, for XRP and transparency and instant liquidity. But concerning what's happening out there around the world and obviously in the financial markets and the stock market. Now, we call XRP the sleeping beast, and it's been sleeping for a long time, for quite a few years. But if we look at this chart, I mean, this is getting pretty tasty from a technical point of view. We're edging towards the near of this formation. And like I mentioned, it was around April 1 or April 2 that it's due to finish. And we could see an explosion of a price. 92 cents would be first target, and then $2.28 would be the second target. Now, a lot of people have been saying that the reason why the XRP has not been released yet is because there are a lot of central banks that have yet to complete their nodes first, and then we will go into overdrive. So we've got the Interledger enabling the platforms to connect to each other. And so that could also be a reason why the long drawn out delay in this happening. Back to the charts, and what's going on over here is some really good strong fundamentals. We hit 60 cents yesterday. We're dropping back down. We've hit, maybe wave number 2. We're probably going to go back up around the 58, drop back again, hit resistance, go back, drop again, and then take off 65 cents and beyond. So very good. Very respecting the charts really in a really healthy way, and that is very exciting to see. So where we're at right now, I do believe that we're going to break the dollar mark, and once we break that dollar mark, then we will be into new territory. As far as for a long time we have not been inside the dollar range. So where can we go from there will be very interesting. Again, looking at the charts and looking at what's been going on, like I said, we've hit 60, drop back, and then we're gonna retest it a couple of times before we take off. And long term, so looking at how things are developing across the charts and what we think is going to happen. So I believe first stop $1. From there, we're going to go to $1.60, retrace again, go back up all the way to $6.50, retrace again to maybe $3, then go up again to $6, and then before a final drop that could go as low as $2 or $1.80 before the massive run to 16 and beyond. So be prepared, and be prepared to wait for the long haul. I had a gentleman message me today saying, hey, I know the price of XRP has gone up, but should I go in? Should I wait? And I gave that particular person a couple of scenarios just to make sure that they're getting in for the right reasons, because you never know. Some XRP holders have been waiting since 2017 for what I'm talking about right now. So you need to be prepared and be in it for the right reasons, and not think that you're going to get in and then 3 days later something is going to happen. It could take a while. So to get to $16, it could be June, July next year. Are you willing to wait until then, or will you cash out before? Let me know in the comments how you feel and how long term do you believe you will be in it. So again, from a charts point of view, we're gonna be around this 60 and 48, 47 range for a while. We're then gonna push past 60, retest 60 to make sure that it is a bull run, and then hurry up to $1 very, very fast. There are predictions, and as always, there are obviously, you know, speculations and things being mentioned about, you know, hitting the 50s and the $100. Let's get over $1 first, and let's see where we go from there. And of course, it wouldn't be an XRP video if we didn't talk about long term and what could happen. So by 2022, by the end of 2022, we could see a $200 XRP. Per XRP, $200. Let me know in the comments, where are we heading? What's happening? Where are we off to? Would love to know where you're from and where do you think XRP and by when. As always, thanks so much for the support, for the passion, and all the comments and all the feedback that you guys provide to make this channel what it is. Thank you, and I'll see you next time.